Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 30th, 2019, and this is one of my Blue Angel salvia plants here. And I was talking about, when I showed how to plant the seeds, I said it would produce tubers that you could harvest for planting next year. So as you can see, this one here did, and you can see the tubers here. So I'm just going to take the soil off of this right here, and I'll cut the stems off then. And I am going to lay these out then on newspaper, which I will show you. And let them dry for planting next year. And you can store these in like dahlia tubers. There we go. And it's okay if you let some of the soil on it. But that's what the tubers look like. And I'll lay these out on the newspaper, and I will come back and show you. So we'll be back. So this is the Blue Angel salvia tubers here. I got 2 of them out. The rest of them didn't give tubers on them. I'm not sure why. But I got these 2 here off. Now I'm going to clip the stems off from the from this year's growth. And when they're done drying, then I am going to store these in a little bit of a potting mix so that they don't dry out too much. And then I'm going to be checking on and make sure that they're not rotting, or that they're not drying out too much on me. So when these are ready to plant again, I will come back and I will show you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!